Hola, bonsoir. Welcome to my channel. My name is Maddie. I wanted to make a quick video to show you guys ways that you can make quick cash during this pandemic. I know a lot of people have been affected by this. I have for sure. I used to work 3 jobs and I can't do any of them currently because of everything that's going on. So I know a lot of people are in that situation, and that's why I'm making this video. If you're interested in seeing how you can make some quick money, please keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Without further ado, here's tip number 1. Okay, so tip number 1 is deliveries. Uber Eats, DoorDash, Postmates, Instacart, do it all. These things have been so helpful to me. I've made more money doing Uber Eats than I have with my 3 jobs combined with the same amount of hours. One time I only worked 20 hours in 1 week and I made over $600. And so if you do that consistently for a month, you can make over $2,000. And that might not be a lot for some people, but I know that we're all struggling and that could help so many people. Another nice thing about this is that people usually will tip. I try to go to areas where people actually tip. I live on a college campus and I can't. People here just don't even tip. A little disclaimer about this. If you get unemployment benefits, you can't Uber or DoorDash, any of that stuff, because they are considered a job and you are getting income from it. So be careful if you are doing that. That's all that I'm gonna say. Besides that, it's honestly been really, really great. So give it a try. If you want to see more videos about how to get into Uber and things that you should know about all that stuff, let me know in the comments below and I would love to make a video about that. If you are bougie and you are picky, that number 1 wasn't for you. So if not, let's move on to tip number 2. Okay, so tip number 2 is to sell your things. If you're anything like me, you buy things all year round and you never actually use, and it just seems like they're just laying around. Don't do that. If you have old books, old furniture, laptops, or clothes that you're not using or not wearing anymore, I really, really suggest sell it. You can use Facebook Marketplace to advertise. You can use Poshmark, Letgo, OfferUp, Mercari. There's honestly so many new apps and websites that you can use for that. It has become really, really easy. You just take a picture, put a description, and put a price, and that's it. I suggest if you're doing one of those meetings with Letgo, I used to meet up with people to exchange the stuff that I would sell. If you're doing that, I just suggest do it in a public space. Take somebody with you just to be safe. You never know who is lurking. But like I said, it's become really easy, so give it a shot. Moving on to tip number 3, which is to offer your services. If you have any skills or any talent at all, there are many people that could use it and you could make the money from it. For example, now that a lot of jobs are opening up again and a lot of people are going back to work, parents need help with babysitters because daycares are not opening up. So if you like kids and you're comfortable doing that, post it on Facebook, let people know that you can babysit. You know, it's a really quick way to make money. Another thing you could do is hair. A lot of people are really struggling with getting their haircuts, or even guys are struggling with that. So if you know and trust people and you're comfortable going to their house and you don't think you'll get any shady illnesses, then honestly do it. It's a good way to make money. Something else you can do is cooking. I've seen a lot of people doing this. An overwhelming amount of people are actually doing this, offering cooking services, but jump in it, sis. If you think you can cook and you want to make some money doing that, do it. I have a lot of friends that have been doing it, and sometimes you're just lazy and you don't feel like cooking. So I appreciate those cooking services, honestly. I take advantage of it. So if you can cook for $1. You can also offer to tutor. I know a lot of parents are getting really sick of their kids. I know I probably would. So if you want to go and tutor someone or some kids that you like, do that, make some money for it, charge them for it. Okay, that is all that I have for you guys as of right now. When I said quick, easy money, I really meant it. With DoorDash, Uber Eats, and all that, you can make your cash right away. Within the same hour, you can take it to your bank account. Same with babysitting and offering your services. You can set it up cash where you can get it right away. I know there are a lot of other suggestions such as investing or, making a YouTube channel, and those are just more long term. With a YouTube channel, you probably won't monetize for a very long time. And I know that people need the money right now, and that's why I made this video. So I hope that this helps some of you or all of you, honestly. If you learned anything, please press that like button. And if you want to see more things like this, make sure to subscribe and comment below what you want to see. Thank you. Be safe out there.